Greg here, Finches in Flight. I want to talk about one of our new products, the Soft Startup. This has been in the works for a couple of years now. The Soft Start has multiple products, and I'll touch on those in a little bit. But the Soft Startup 50 amp is their newest product. They had one for 30 amp, but they basically just went with a 50 amp because it can come. You can use 30 and 50 amp. So to their credit, they do include a 50 to 30 amp adapter, or 30 to 50 amp adapter. So if you get to your site, you only have 30 amp and your camper's 50 amp like this, it does come with an adapter. So I'll show you the tricky installation really quick. So I'm already hooked up to 50 amp with my surge protector here. So there's no power to it. They do recommend putting your surge protector on first and then hooking the soft start up to that. So plug it in to either directly the box or your surge protector. Plugged in, flip it on. There you go for your installation. Pretty easy peasy. So the original Soft Start, I believe, is called Soft Start RV. You have to get up on the roof, and it's about 5 or 6 wires. It's a very doable DIY, but intimidating because you have to take the cover off the AC unit. You have to disconnect the wires, and they have various diagrams and a good tutorial on how to install the Soft Start RV. Now that is slightly more efficient than the Soft Start Up. The Soft Start RV decreased the AC startup demand by about 70%. Again, you had to take the cover off, rewire it. The Soft Start Up decreases all energy demands by about 50%, so slightly less efficient, but it decreases all of the energy demands by 50% as opposed to only the AC units. So, benefits of Soft Start Up: you can still do 2 ACs on 30 amp, definitely 2 ACs on 50 amp, obviously. I did my own test. I don't run numbers. I'm not that technical or scientific. Maybe smart, some will say, but so I switched over to the 30 amp. I was able to run both ACs. I started one, started the other AC, have the electric water heater going, had the microwave going, did turn the TV on. After about a minute, it did trip the breaker. Now again, that was with 30 amp with all of those engine demands. So I feel pretty good. I could basically definitely run one AC plus everything else off of 30 amp, or I would just have to be smarter, keep both ACs running, and maybe turn one off only when I needed to run the microwave. But I was very confident in its ability. Another benefit would be, I think, what some call mooch docking, where if you were staying at family, friends who have an outlet, I was able to do it with the Soft Start RV, where I was basically just able to use a 15 amp plug, was able to run the AC only. I didn't run anything else, but again, AC only, which was my priority. I switched my fridge over to gas. With Soft Start Up, same thing. It says you can run it off 15, 20 amp. Again, only one AC. I wouldn't do 2 ACs with that, but again, gives you that ability to run an AC off of a standard outlet. And without the Soft Start Up, Soft Start RV, that would not be possible. I also have a 2500 watt generator. I've yet to test it just because we haven't needed it yet, but definitely be able to run one AC with a Soft Start Up with the 2500 dual fuel generator that I have. I'm gonna be curious if it's able to pull off too. I don't know. So I don't know, that'll be an interesting test, but I'll touch on that and make a future video when we cross that bridge. So again, I think the Soft Start, also they have a Soft Start RV Solar, which comes with basically a Soft Start RV, solar panels, lithium batteries, and basically can get you started on the path of going pure solar completely off the grid. I'm not ballsy enough to do that. Wife wouldn't fly with that either, so kids might be happy, but happy wife, happy life. So we haven't gone completely off the grid yet. We're still spoiled with amenities, so we'll see about that. But Soft Start, so far a great product, has their own kit. Very impressed with it. So just a quick synopsis. Soft Startup I've had for a couple months now. I've been very happy with it. Have not tripped a breaker. Using both ACs running, using microwave on 50 amp. I've never tripped a breaker. Like I said, in my own test using the 30 amp, it took a lot of energy demand to trip the breaker. So very happy with the product. I kind of wish they brought this out a lot sooner. I didn't touch on it earlier, but you know, I had a soft start RV on my 30 amp camper. Obviously, I sold that, upgraded to 50 amp. I don't get that soft start RV back. It went with the camper. Obviously, it was wired in. So the soft start up, the soft start up goes with me. Whether I sell this camper, switch campers, it goes with me. So it's slightly less efficient, but easy installation and portable. So I highly recommend it for your mooch docking, your boondocking, just, you know, saving energy mans all around. There will be a quick, there'll be a discount link in our,
on top of this mountain.
you know, see, they're happy camping. So there'll be a discount link in our video. Please like and subscribe to our channel, but I highly recommend the Soft Start product, Soft Startup, and discount link provided. Finches in flight.
Yeah, buddy!